13,000 years ago, New York City was buried under 2,000 feet of ice.
Welcome.
That's taller than the Freedom Tower. But then suddenly the ice started melting. No one knows exactly why or how.
Wow, what happened there? That's nuts.
That's the melting of the ice sheets. The sudden, rapid, catastrophic meltdown of the ice sheets, dumping millions of cubic kilometers of water back into the ocean basin.
But as the ice water created rivers down North America, boulders thousands of tons started flowing down right here to Central Park, such as this boulder, Umpire Rock, in the southwestern edge of Central Park. Now, Umpire Rock is a popular place for rock climbers to practice their craft.
You're not gonna die! Don't you lose again! It's
But I think the cool part about this rock is that as massive boulders were going down the melted ice water at the end of the Ice Age, they formed ripples on the rocks. These ripples still linger to this day. Right now, I'm actually touching the actual striations from the melted ice water. So you yourself can touch over 13,000 years of history here in Central Park.